Hi, this is Rachna here. Welcome back to the Tuesday Nutrition Nugget by The Good Tiffin. Today, let's look at some of the food alternatives. Now, according to me, every grain, lentil, fruit, vegetable has its place on our plate, especially if it's locally available. But many times, due to medical reasons, due to food allergies, we are unable to eat certain foods and we are required to look at alternatives. So these alternatives may work out better for us, they may suit us better. I realized that I was allergic to cooked tomatoes, chickpeas, that is your kabuli chana, and tur dal. So I worked on finding better alternatives for myself. I realized that though I am allergic to chickpeas, desi chana or kala chana suits me really fine. So I switched from kabuli chana to kala chana. So it's a process of trial and error. It's a process of tuning into your body, listening to your body, because you are the best judge. You know your body the best. So now let's look at some of the easy replacements. You can have kodo millet or kodra or kodri or varagu as it's called instead of rice. Now kodo millet has a low GI and it's higher in fiber, so it is very good for diabetics. It is also very rich in iron and calcium as well as B vitamins like B3, B6 and folic acid. It is great for postmenopausal women who show signs of high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Now dishes you can make with kodo millet: your khichdi, pulao, handwo, idli, dosa, and for curd rice it works out wonderfully. Jawar, ragi, rajgira in place of wheat. People with gluten sensitivity or allergy, IBS, PCOD or wheat allergy do better when they replace wheat or reduce wheat and introduce these millets in their diet. You can make delicious rotlas out of jawar and urad. So when you mix jawar with your sabut urad in the ratio of 3:1, you get really delicious rotlas that you can eat in place of your wheat chapati. And they also become protein rich because you've introduced urad in the combination. Rajgira works very well when you mix it with other grain or millet. This is a rare plant food that is a complete protein. Then comes your ragi. Ragi is a powerhouse of various nutrients like your phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, omega-3, etc. It's a perfect food for vegans for their calcium requirement because ragi is very high in calcium. Tur dal, chana dal are normally heavy dals to digest. Now, people with weak digestion, people with allergies may not be able to digest these well. It can give them gastric troubles, acid reflux, etc. So you can replace these dals with your moong dal and masoor dal. The items you can make with these dals are your Gujarati dal, which normally uses tur dal, your dal dhokli. Then you can use moong dal atta in your patra, kadhi, etc., where you normally use your besan. Now masoor dal is very rich in folates as well as iron, so it's very good with anemic people and for pregnant women. Now cooked tomatoes can give acid reflux to many of us. Now some of the foods that you can replace these tomatoes with are curd, kokum, tamarind. In our household, we have used kokum now for generations for our dals, and kokum is native to Maharashtra. Curd can be used in some of the Punjabi gravies like in your damalu. So I hope this allows you to explore, to eat your favorite foods in a new way, in an innovative way, and you may not have to give up all your favorite foods just because some ingredients do not suit you. So if you have any more questions, or you have any specific foods where you're looking for their alternatives, please drop me a line below and I will try my best to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye bye.